gonna make this really cute puppy bow. So I'm gonna start with my Mini Bowdabra and my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I fold my Bowdabra Bow Wire in half, lay it into the Mini, and just tuck it underneath. Then I'm gonna take this really pretty webbed luminescent tulle, and the last piece I'm just gonna fold it and scrunch everything in. Take my Mini Bowdabra wand and just scrunch it all down. Then I'm gonna take my puppy paw ribbon and I'm gonna fold a little curve in the middle and just push that down in here. Then I'm gonna take two of my little, it's Bowdabra Zebra ribbon. Take my wand and just scrunch everything in. Then I have these two pieces of ribbon and we're gonna do a fold and twist bow. So I'm gonna twist it, push that down, fold it, and twist it and push it down. And I'm gonna take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, oops, take out my wand, bring it up like this, pull it through my slip knot, hold my bow down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, bring it out, separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm gonna leave the ends because I'm gonna tie this onto the collar of my puppy, shape it out. Then I have my paw and I've already put an adhesive dot on there, but you can use a glue gun. In fact, I would probably recommend using a glue gun when you make this for your puppy. And then you just tie it on the collar and see how pretty that looks? It's a really, really simple puppy bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.